back to my channel, me, Vasu. I'm very happy that me, Vasu, have crossed 500 subscribers, and thanks for all the love and support that you have been showing to me and due to the month of love. Wishing you all a very advanced happy Valentine's Day. Time to take out your favorite reds and pinks and get ready. I will also try to add some time frames in the description box so that you can directly jump to your favorite part of the video. Let's quickly go into the video and see how I have created this pink Valentine's Day look. MAC Stroke Cream in shade Pink Lit. I've already done my skincare routine with my cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Cream gives a lot of radiance glow to your face. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC45. I have taken a little bit onto my palm.
Apply it as small dots all over your face so that you will understand how much product you are using.
You can either use a beauty blender or a foundation brush like this.
Always blend your foundation in the direction of the hair growth.
While I was looking into the camera, I thought my lips need some shade, so I just added some lip color. Let's proceed with my MAC concealer, which is Studio Finish Concealer in shade NW35.
I'm applying it where I have a little bit of dark spots and then I'm blending it all over.
Because I wanted my foundation to blend a little bit, I will go with my eye makeup now. So our eye makeup will start with our eyebrows. Make sure that you are doing your eyebrows in the direction of the hair growth so that it will look very natural. I have a complete eye tutorials on how to groom your eyebrows. You can go and watch if you are a first time viewer. Lightly comb them with a spoolie. It gives that natural shape and the finish. I'm not applying my eye primer today. I'll just giving a coat of the foundation brush that I have already used. Today I'm using the Queen's palette from Eloise. Go with a darker shade first. It's all pink.
I usually do not follow a particular process while applying an eye shade, but I will just always make sure that I'm creating that wing kind of a look to my eye.
I'm using this a shiny kind of a pink color to just give that brightness and shine. Now the eyeliner.
I'm using my voluminous Lash Paradise liquid eyeliner here.
I'm using my L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar Mascara.
The white side gives a smooth finish to your eyelashes and instantly gives that volume to your eyes, and the black one is a regular mascara.
We're almost done with our eye makeup now. Let's give a finishing touch with the powder, blush and a lipstick. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NC43. I always like to use a brush
and just dip your brush into the powder and apply all over your face. A very little will be enough.
Today I'm using my blush from Sephora, which is Colorful Matte Hey Jealous N17. Don't apply too much of blush, keep it very natural and less. I'm using my new highlighter which I received from BoxyCharm. It is Laura Geller High Definition Heart of Gold. I will be using this shade with my fan brush.
Apply a little on your cheekbones and then over your temples of your forehead.
I always prefer to apply with a finger on my nose because I wanted a straight line. See that shine? Now let's complete with our fixing spray from MAC. This is a sample that I received for one of my purchase from MAC. And this is in flavor coconut, so I'll just use this today. Might be it'll take some time to settle down. Meanwhile, we'll go with our lipstick. I will use my Revlon lipstick, which is Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. Huge high shine. It is a glossy finish. And this is a very good pink in Revlon. Always make that V first. I really love this glossy finish from Revlon. We are all set with our pink makeup. I quickly change my nails to pink, add some earrings, and then quickly come back to complete the pink Valentine's Day look. I'm ready now and back with my pink nails. So this is all a pink kind of a look. To make the Valentine's Day atmosphere more good, I would love to use my Engage perfume. All like this Valentine's Day pink look. Now let's try changing this look to red. I have quickly changed my nail color and my dress into red. First thing that we don't need for our red look is our pink lipstick. Let's remove that. I'll just do a little bit of touch up with the same brush. I'm not using any foundation also here. Then comes my favorite MAC lipstick, which is Feel So Good. See how nicely it is matching to my nail paint and even to my dress as well. It will really feel so good after using. As this will give a little bit of dryness to the lips, I will use my lip primer. Always make the V shape first. How is it, friends? I think red is more bright and it is looking so nice, and it actually gives that brightness to the night. If you're going for an evening, the pink is better, but if you are planning for a nighttime look, I think red goes more better. And now the pink eyeshadow doesn't go with red. I'll just remove my pink eyeshadow and then we'll see how it looks. You can easily transform your looks if you don't like your pink makeup, and then it goes to red. I'm trying to give a touch up to my eyeliner as well. I'm trying to check the different ways how can I style my hair, if it is looking good, if I leave it or with the hair bow. I really love this red Valentine's Day look. Both are my favorite. You know what is your favorite look in the comment box, and what are you planning for the Valentine's Day? Loads and loads and loads of love from me, Vasu, to all of you, and wishing you all again a very advanced happy Valentine's Day. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu. And also don't forget to click on the notification button to get a notification as soon as I upload a new video.